Hi, this is Kepner, CPA in Dallas. What about filing an amended return? Should I do it? Well, quite frankly, that's a business decision. Number one, why would you file an amended return unless you were going to get a fair amount of money back? I wouldn't do it. So maybe you're going to get some money back. Should you file it then? Well, perhaps not. You've got to realize that there's a statute of limitations on filing tax returns, and it's 3 years, 7 years if the IRS believes there's fraud involved. So let's say it's a 3-year statute of limitations, and you forgot to include something on your tax return. And maybe it only results in a few $100s of tax savings. What you have to ask yourself as a business owner is, do I really want to extend the statute of limitations for an extra year on this tax return? Because a year later I file an amended return, I've basically given the IRS 4 years statute of limitations instead of 3. Is it worth it for that extra several $100s? So the reality is, maybe you shouldn't file an amended return even if you could. And the reality is, the IRS lets you take some modest amount of expenses from the prior year and include them in this year if it was a mistake. So I wouldn't worry too much about that, but I'd make it a business decision, just like every other tax item. It's a business decision, not just a technical one. Give us a call.